imagine yourself with a perfect golden tan. Imagine what you would look like. How would you feel with newfound confidence knowing you look great in the bedroom and at the beach? When many people new to sunless tanning think of the whole sunless tanning process, they think of orange-skinned sportscasters or bad sunless tans on the cover of gossip magazines. That was then. Nowadays, with the modern sunless tanning products of today, the orange sunless tan is ancient history. If you want to feel good knowing that you look great and want to protect yourself from the ill effects caused by the sun's rays, then sunless tanning is for you. The benefits of sunless tanning are endless. Protect your skin from the harmful effects of the rays. At some point in your life, statistics indicate that you too will fall victim to cancer. Are you willing to risk your longevity to chance? Statistics also show that people who expose themselves to the sun's rays are at higher risk of all types of cancers. Choosing to improve your skin's appearance with sunless tanning services is the health-conscious decision. Sunless tanning is convenient. Instead of spending countless hours sweating by laying out in the sun to achieve the desired bronze look, you can now achieve that same tanned look in the comfort of your own home. Most mobile sunless tanning services now take less than 30 minutes. Sunless tanning costs less than you think. Whether you choose to travel to a sunless tanning salon, or if you would like to utilize the services of a mobile sunless tanning service, the cost of getting sunless tan is affordable. More so, most mobile sunless tanning businesses offer discounted rates for multiple people getting a sunless tan. No matter what the weather is like, you can get a sunless tan. No matter what time of year it is or what the weather is like outside, you can get a sunless tan. Now you can look like you have just returned from a tropical paradise year-round. We live in good times. No more tan lines. That is, if you do not like tan lines. If you currently have a tan that is creating tan lines, a sunless tan can easily cover up your tan lines. Some people like tan lines while others do not. The choice is yours. Not only is sunless tanning the healthier alternative to the sun's rays, sunless tanning returns far better results. Recent development in modern DHA sunless tanning products are returning results that beat the harmful effects of the sun's rays, not only because of a sunless tan's health benefits, but because a sunless tan will actually return the exact look you want. Whether you want light bronze, dark brown, tan lines, or no tan lines, you now have choices. Now imagine what the perfect tan would look like on you. For more fun and videos about sunless tanning, be sure to visit our Sunless Tanning blog. Thank you for viewing today. www.glowonthegosandiego.com/blog